What up, mga solid subscribers, no? So, ito yung video ng Bini na, ano to? Biniverse World Tour, no? So, tara, panoorin na to.
Hi guys! Hi everyone! We're here in yeah, you can see the Empire State of New York. We're here and ito talaga yung view ko from the front. Ah! It's our bus! Gosh, look at my face. Here, there's a passenger seat and then dito yung driver. And for more privacy, meron munang door bago talaga sa aming bus. Para naman hindi kami nakikita kasi we're all girls here. And when you open it, oh, hi Bini, ayan. It's like that. And then you're inside. Ooh, okay, go Mix, take it over.
Okay, it's my turn. So this is the living room. Uy! Why are you trying to hide?
Wala, sa magsista ako.
We have the remote here. And then this is the window where we can open it anytime we want. This is MQ right there. And then we have these lights.
Solid, no? May ganito sila, no?
Maliit siyang ganito. They have these in all corners. And then the drawers, what's this? Ah, this is like a compartment. Yeah. And then meron aircon dyan sa baba ulit. And then meron dito, yung mga cabinets nila, it's like
sa mga airport.
Parang very, pag nagkumagalaw, friendly. Like, hindi siya basta-basta pagbubukas. Kasi the bus is moving. And there's another here. And then there's a drawer here. Dito ka na usually, oh! This is where we keep our merch.
Okay.
Ito ba nila yung merch? Isa pa. Boom! Okay. And ito na yung extended version. But when we're moving, usually mas nagiging tighter pa siya. But it's very enough. It's very good. You know what I'm saying? Now, Stacy is gonna tour you the kitchen. Hello!
It's me.
Parang pagod si ako.
This is the kitchen. Tada! Ayan. So, dito kami naghuhugas ng mga kamay namin. Ayan. Dito rin kami nagtutoothbrush.
Ang gamit niyang camera.
May mga tissue, may sabon, napaubos na alcohol, and meron kaming big tissue, mga table napkins, and coffee maker. And dito naman sa taas,
Madali yarn.
yung mga food, and may basong gamit. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yan. Thank you so much, Blooms, for the foodies. Dito naman yung mga baso, may mga vitamins, gamot, mga paper bags na pwede gamitin. Ayun, and dito naman mga drawer. Ayan, mga food ulit, mga sweets, mga gummy bear. Hindi kami kasi sa mga madalang sweets, mga gummy bear, ganyan. Dito din sa baba. Sa baba. And ito naman, mga spoon and fork. Tapos, ayun, mga nabaday kaming tumira dito for 5 years. And basurahan.
So, ito naman ay ang aming, what's this? Hello? Okay. Ito yung parang mini office namin. O minsan dito na kami kumakain kasi medyo close naman siya sa aming sofa. So, meron ding, paano ba to? Oh! Merong window dito. Ayan, kung gusto mo ng view. And may tao dito, patukin natin. Ayan.
Sobrang tagal nito na ako.
I've been waiting for this time. I've been waiting so long here, guys.
Ah, siya kasi yung next.
Hello, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a tour sa restaurant namin. So, as you can see, looky. This is the banyo. Boom.
Ah,
This
DJI
is
nga
the
gamit niya.
mirror here. Tapos we have lights. We have vanity lights. Ayan. And this is for the cabinet lights. So may nakalagay na label. Cabinet and vanity. And then, this is where you do number 1. You can only do number 1 and not number 2 because it's not allowed. And then, this is how you flush it. You press this thing.
So, saan ka magna-number 2?
See? Okay. Then we have tissue, and then you can wash your hands here. This is hot. This is cold. You can buy them both so you get warm water. Tissue. And
Yun ang tanong, no? Saan ka magna-number 2?
Number 1. Oh, just lit up. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. And then
Ano
number
kung
4.
kailangan mo na
So,
talaga,
if you
no?
want to put some cleaning supplies, you can put it in 1, 2, and 3.
Yan ang pinaka-question.
Okay. After that, we have our fridge here.
Kasi diba, maging open na tayo guys ha. Siyempre, alam niyo naman no, mahalaga din sa atin yung number 2. No? Paano pag kailangan mo talaga mag-number 2? No?
Ganito siya mag-open, guys. So, up and then pull. Yan. So, as you can see, you
have a bunch of Coca-Cola products here. Oh, also, this is very crucial. Kailangan talaga na i-push siya. Kasi, if hindi siya naka-close, never know, maybe it might open and then the drinks will go over the floor. That's what he's gonna get. What is that?
Ang tagal naghintay ni Joanna doon.
Yeah, that's how I wake up in the morning. I just roll myself and this is the bunk beds. So, itong bunk beds naman, meron siyang 3 layers. So, the first layer, the second floor, and the third floor.
Okay.
So, meron dito curtains dito sa first floor. Yan, nasa second and third floor. Tapos, meron din siyang ilaw. Pero ito yung bed ko, guys. This is my bed. Tapos, since medyo mahaba naman yung bed, pwede ka maglagay ng gamit pa sa paanan mo. Since ito na nga, di ba, may first floor tayo, may second floor tayo. Ito kasi abot na abot tong second floor eh. So, etong third floor, curious ako, paano kaya ito inaakyat? Nasaan kayo magsasample sa atin? Okay? Turo mo, paano ka bumababa at umaakyat dyan since nasa third floor ka?
So this is how I get up.
So, kailangan malayo yung time. Okay, wait lang.
It's like this.
Wait. Okay, go.
Mataas nga siya. So, kailangan dumaan ka sa second floor talaga, no? Kasi diyan ka apak pala pag aakit ka.
Go up.
Kailangan ito yung
O yan, kailangan talaga umakit siya. Tumapak sa second floor. Ang tuwa naman si Joanna.
convenient dito sa taas kasi parang may sarili kang mundo dito sa taas. Kasi nasa ano kayo, nasa... I like it here kasi it's so tall. Minsan lang ako ma-feel ko na tall ako. So, I chose this bed. That's it, guys. Go there.
Okay.
Pakita mo yung carpet natin.
Oh yes, may carpet kami, guys. So, tignan nyo.
What's your problem?
So, after nitong kay Ate Maloy, this is at Ate Gwen's. Ate!
So, this is our, what do you call this?
Our ano
Wala pa silang tawag.
area. Wow!
Entertainment area.
Sige nga, entertain mo ako. At ito yung mga regalo ng Blue.
Oh.
Sinort na namin to paggabi. Thank you sa mga gifts nyo. Ayan sila. Dito na namin nilagay kasi walang ibang paglalagyan, guys. Tapos dito ako natulog ng first day.
Oh, may Funko.
Ng, ilang oras lang. Kasi busog na busog ako. And takot ako sa suka. Actually, hindi naman ako sukahin pag nagbaba. Sanay naman ako. Sadyang pagbusog lang ako, praning ako. At takot ako sa fact na susuka ako. So, I cannot afford to risk it. Okay, that's it. And this is the view from here. Look at that.
So, ilang kama siya? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, oh, 12, okay.
From here. Look at that. Grabe. Dito si Miss MQ. Nandito si Miss MQ nung nakita niya si Joanna dyan. Siguro na gumagapang or doon sa kabila.
Bye!
Turn it up. Okay.
Ang solid na ganun, guys, no? Yung maka-experience ka ng ganun ng bus, no? Tapos, wala lang, ang sarap lang ng ganun. Sana maka-experience din ako soon ng ganun, no? Parang gusto mo tuloy mahiga na. Anyway, kapatid mo yung Beanie, nandun sila sa, ano. Kung ako papiliin, guys, papiliin ako, pili ako dun sa, ano, gusto ko rin sa pinakataas, no? Bakit? Kasi, hindi ko alam, kasi pag yung nandun ka sa baba, maririnig mo yung mga dadaan-daan, yung footsteps, yun, no? Pero pag nasa taas ka, alam mo, parang feeling mo secured ka talaga na walang gagambala sa'yo. Kasi mataas eh. Sino ba naman yung gagano na aangat pataas si gagano, no? Diba? Parang, ewan ko lang ha. Ako talaga usually, pag mga, kunyari, mga gala na yung mga friends or company outing, laging gustong-gusto ko nasa taas talaga ako, no? Lalo na pag mga bunker beds ba tawag doon, yung ganyan, mga double deck, no?
Gusto ko lagi nasa taas ako. Ayoko sa baba. Kasi, alam mo yun, mas peaceful pag sa taas eh. Ewan ko lang nga sa inyo kung saan kayo sanay. So yun guys, nakaka-enjoy itong video to, no? And guys, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell, no? Para alam nyo pag ako'y nag-release ng bagong video, no? So this is Point signing out. Peace. Let's see.